What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 back too quick. Wow, Allen Harrison had me a bit worried, you know. He had me worried on the serious side, though. I thought he blew it. I thought he was done for today, you know. I mean, I'm glad he won his second game. I'm glad he didn't blow it, you know. I thought he blew it. Yeah, he had me worried for a minute, you know. I was sure Kate was gonna win, you know. Whew. That was close. I sure wish Buzzy Cohen was watching, you know. Speaking of Buzzy Cohen, he commented on my Facebook page when I was mentioning about him when he was on Jeopardy. You know, I should have talked about him on my Facebook when he was in the Tournament of Champions. You know, when he faced Alan Lynn and Austin Rogers. You know. Whew. I was a bit worried, really. I thought this was going to be it for him, but he didn't lose that much to lose, you know. But I'm glad he didn't risk it all. You know, Kate would have won today if he would have risked it all, you know. Thank God he didn't risk it all, you know. All right, let's see how Allen going to do Monday, okay? Are y'all going to watch? Okay. Let's hope he don't blow it next week, okay? All right, bye.